chicken head that I might love. Got myself some rum, cause where I'm from sometimes you need some. Bottoms up on the bottle, then I feast my eyes on some gorgeous model. Got my fame, so I had to make a recognized game. Give her the eye, she passed by, then she turned with a smile. Made me wonder what I gotta spit in her ear to get that number. The DJ Rock Brinker made me reminisce about the things I got into. I tried to slide to the girl for a dance, not a chance, cause so I found me a dime piece that looked better. It's all good. Can't wait to bring the piece back to my hood. We spoke about this and that. Ayo, she ain't no joke.